Hello everyone, welcome to Digital World Tech Academy. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to use the HLOOKUP function. The HLOOKUP function searches for a value in the first row of a table and then returns a value in the same column from a row you specify in the table. The HLOOKUP is useful when your data is arranged horizontally, hence the name HLOOKUP, meaning horizontal lookup, meaning your headings are across the first row instead of down the first column. Now let's take a look at the syntax. The formula for HLOOKUP is equals to HLOOKUP. Then in the bracket we have the lookup value, where it is the value you want to search for. Then the table array, which is the range of cells that contain data you want to search. Then we have the row index number, the row from which you want to return the corresponding value. And lastly, the range lookup. This specifies if the match is exact or approximate. Now let's take a look at some example here. We have two tables, the product table and the sales table. The product table contains information about your product. That is, it has the product ID, the product name, the category, then the unit price. Then the sales has information about the sales. That is, it has the sales ID, the product ID, region, and quantity sold. Missing what? The rest. So what we are going to do is use the HLOOKUP to bring the values here. Now let's look at a practical example using the product table and sales table. In the product table, I have the product ID, product name, category, and unit price. And in my sales table, I have the sale ID, the product ID, region, and quantity sold. Since the product IDs, both in product and sales, are arranged horizontally, the HLOOKUP function is the best one to use. Let's say in my sales ID, I have the product IDs from P001 to P010, and I want Excel to return the product name for each product ID automatically. HLOOKUP is the best to use. So I will say the product name, then start with the HLOOKUP. Now we have the lookup value. Our lookup value here will be P001. Then our table array, this is talking about where we want to get our information, the table we want to get our information. Then that is in product table. Then we are going to highlight the whole of this table. Then our row index, where we have a product name, we are starting from the product table, from the product ID, we have 1 and 2. So our product name is located in the second row. We are going to insert 2 right here in the formula bar. Then our range lookup is going to be false. Now we have wireless mouse. And if you check product ID P001, the product name for P001 is wireless mouse. Likewise here, P001 is wireless mouse. So then I'll apply the function to the rest of the rows. You can see that. Let's take a look at the result. We used the product ID from sales ID to look up the value from the product table. Okay, now let's look at the formula again. We have the HLOOKUP. Then our lookup value was P001, from the product ID P001 from the sales ID. Then our table array is the full table from products, that is from here to this place. Okay, that is from C3 to M6, right? Then we have 2, which tells us that Excel should return the second row after the first row, which is our what? Product ID, that is the name, the product name. Then false, and the false we have here ensures that Excel returns the exact product ID match. Okay, So whenever it sees product 1, it's going to return wireless mouse. Product 2, keyboard, and so on. All right. And let's try returning the unit price, or let's say the category, then the unit price. So we're going to use the HLOOKUP once again. Our lookup value is going to be product ID. Then our table array is the full table where we have the information, comma. Then our row index is going to be the information, the row that has the information, which is category. So counting from product ID, we have 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be 3. Then range lookup, we are using exact match. Close it, press enter. Then we have accessories. Okay, then we apply this to the rest. We use each cup again. Our lookup value is from the product ID P001. Our table array is the full table. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the row index number. We're going to put that in false. We have the unit price. So remember that HLOOKUP only works if the product IDs are in the first row. Yes, if the product ID are in the first row of the product table. If they are arranged vertically, then VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP is what you use. So with HLOOKUP, you can connect your sales table to your product table and automatically pull important product details, saving time and reducing errors. And that's how HLOOKUP works in Excel. It is a simple but powerful tool when working with horizontal data sets. Practice with different data sets to become more confident using it. Thank you for learning with Digital World Tech Academy. Bye.